Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Air Canada error code 11190. The error reads, "For a temporary period, passengers aged 12 to 15 on the day of departure travelling in economy class must contact us to book their flight." As per our research, the error comes while trying to book a flight. According to our research, the error is related to the air passenger duty. Passengers under 16 are exempt from this tax, but this exemption needs to be applied by the airline during booking. So if the system is unable to process this automatically, it shows this error. To fix the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device and try booking again. If the error still comes, then the error is likely coming from the system. As shared, the exemption has to be manually applied by the airline. So in this case, it's best to reach out to the Air Canada support team and explain the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.